Ever wondered how gadgets like smart speakers, thermostats, and lights actually work? Stick around because we're breaking it all down in the easiest way possible. What are smart home devices? First, what exactly are smart home devices? Simply put, they're gadgets that connect to your Wi-Fi and can be controlled remotely through apps or voice commands. From turning off your lights to adjusting the thermostat, these devices are designed to make life easier and more efficient. The most common examples include smart speakers like Amazon Echo or Google Nest, smart thermostats like Nest or Ecobee, and even smart plugs that turn regular devices into smart ones. How do smart home devices work? Here's how it all works. Step 1. Connection to your home network. Every smart device needs to connect to your home's Wi-Fi network. This connection allows the device to send and receive information through the internet. Step 2. The role of a hub or app. Some devices connect directly to Wi-Fi, while others need a hub. For example, a smart light bulb might connect to a central hub like a Philips Hue bridge, which acts as the middleman. The hub then talks to your home network and other devices. Step 3. Cloud processing. When you issue a command like Alexa, dim the lights, it travels from your device to the cloud. The cloud is a network of powerful computers that process your command. Once processed, the cloud sends instructions back to your device to make the action happen. Step 4. Device communication protocols. Smart devices communicate using different protocols like Wi-Fi for direct internet connectivity, Bluetooth for short-range control, Zigbee or Z-Wave, special protocols used for low-energy communication, often with hubs. So, in simple terms, your command travels from your device, gets processed in the cloud, and comes back to make something happen. Pretty amazing, right? Why you need them? So, why should you invest in smart home tech? 3 reasons: convenience, energy savings, and security. Imagine waking up in the morning and your coffee is already brewing. Or saving money on your energy bill because your thermostat adjusts itself when you're away. Plus, with devices like smart doorbells and cameras, your home can be safer than ever. Getting started with smart devices. If you're new to smart home tech, start small. A smart speaker is a great entry point. From there, you can add more devices like smart plugs or bulbs to gradually build your system. Most smart devices work seamlessly with platforms like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit, so pick one that fits your preferences. Smart home devices are more than just gadgets, they're tools to simplify your life. Ready to take the plunge? Start with a device that suits your lifestyle and see the magic for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Tech Booze. See you next time.